Hello and welcome to the last video of this series. If you've been following along in our previous videos, we've created a Kubernetes cluster in EKS, installed Percona Everest, created several database clusters, set up backups to an independent S3 bucket, set up monitoring, connected to the database, and checked database recovery capabilities. So, congrats on getting this far. Now it's time to say goodbye to our cluster to prevent unnecessary resource consumption and cost overruns. In a future video, we may choose to create a new cluster or explore alternative cloud platforms. Let's start the cleanup process. Navigate to the terminal in the directory where the configuration file of our EKS cluster is located. We'll execute the eksctl delete cluster command, specifying the file parameter along with disable-nodegroup-eviction to expedite node deletion. The last parameter is necessary for EKS to delete all nodes without checking. Please be patient, as the deletion process may take some time. You can monitor the progress through the AWS console. Additionally, we mustn't forget to delete the S3 bucket where our backups reside. Simply follow the provided interface instructions. Remember, AWS mandates that you clear the bucket before deletion. Also, we definitely need to remove the test user or keys. Before we conclude, let's do a final verification to ensure that the cluster and all associated components have been successfully deleted. Let's navigate to the EKS and CloudFormation pages for confirmation. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to your feedback.